We're Strictly Hipster. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Sarah.
And this is our first YouTube video.
So we're gonna do some stupid stuff.
Because we're stupid.
We're weird and have no life, so...
Okay. The first thing we're gonna do is have a burping contest. We got Pepsi. I can't open it. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I definitely won that one.
No.
Second time!
You're gonna beat me up.
I think I'm... Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Come on, 1, 2, 3, go. Chug the whole thing.
Fun. Ew.
Chug the whole thing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. We're so disgusting. Okay, that was pretty even, I guess. God, that was hilarious.
You won probably just by a little bit.
Just about a little bit.
You're more
Just a little bit.
You're more.
Just a tiny bit.
Well, snack bag.
My little snack bag.
Okay, well, that was our burping contest.
And there will be more videos to come.
And if you don't think that was fair, or you think one of us won more than the other, then just
comment.
Yeah.
Okay, peace out, homegirl.
Bye.